welcome back. My name is LastKnownMeal and today we're going to talk about CD Projekt. Yesterday we got the news that they broke another record on the stock market where CD Projekt shares went over 300 zloty, which translates to about $77 per share, which is insane. Keep in mind, just 5 years ago, roughly when The Witcher 3 came out, you could buy them for less than 20 zloty, which is about $5 per share. So to have a company break that 300 zloty wall is insane, especially coming from the business side. And if you actually invested in 2015, today your shares are worth a lot of money. And it shows you how much this company is growing right now. And keep in mind, these stock prices are up because of The Witcher and the upcoming Cyberpunk 2077. So imagine the potential of this company after Cyberpunk comes out. If the game has a successful launch and everything is okay, this will propel the company even further. So on the Polish edition of Business Insider, we learned that the current market value for CD Projekt Red goes to 29 billion zloty, which is a lot of money. And their market cap at the moment is about 30.47 billion zloty, so they increased even more. But keep in mind, those things go up and down all the time. And after CD Projekt delayed Cyberpunk to September, we saw that small dip in the stocks, but that is completely normal, and on the larger scale, not to go into specifics, those dips were not that big of a deal because you will have people buy this out quickly, and we saw that right now. They are a very attractive company to invest in right now because first off, gaming industry is becoming bigger and bigger, and also Cyberpunk shows a lot of potential. And when you have someone who actually cares about the art of making video games, they will profit in the future because people will reward that. There is no denying that. Their business model is maybe not EA's business model with those various loot boxes and microtransactions, because those investments can be profitable on the shorter period, but on the long run, we saw how those companies that do get into microtransactions get bombarded with negative reviews from people, and their stock can go down really fast and really low. So just from an investor's perspective, this is more attractive than EA or someone similar, for example, especially if you want to invest in a company that is going to make you money on the long run. Because yes, for a lot of investors, investing in companies that do deal in microtransactions is very profitable. But those companies, well, their value can go down a lot if they make a mistake, and usually they do. Also, another company called Playway broke that price of 300 zloty, and they are also from Poland. I did make videos around their games a while ago. They have a very famous car mechanic simulator that is actually really successful. I honestly had no idea, but well, it is. Also, by looking at the TradingView market cap of Polish companies, they are a strong buy now, which only means invest, because the return on investment is gonna be huge later on. Also, their gross margins is at 66.19%, that is a lot. Maybe this might sound a bit complicated for some, and yes, business is difficult, especially when you talk about profitability and numbers and sustainability in today's economy, which is moving really fast. And keep in mind, if you are running a company, your company is always in this state of entropy, chaos, and if you are not steering the ship in the right direction, your company might run out of business fast. That is just the world we live in today. So to have a sustainable income for a longer period of time is extremely difficult to achieve. And this is historical, breaking this cap. You need to have a crazy business plan for that many people to invest, and this growth of gaming companies, as said by author of this article, indicates that the strengthening of the Polish currency against dollar and euro does indicate foreign investors, which is completely normal for a company that does business on international scale. So for all the gaming websites that made those articles how CD Projekt Red is losing value and their company is going down because of the delay and how their market value has dropped, well, market is always going up and down, but this seems that CD Projekt is making huge ripples in the Polish economy, and to think that another company such as Orlen, that is a major Polish oil refiner and petrol retailer, has a market cap of 32 billion, tells you how strong these gaming companies are going to be. Going up with an oil refiner? Usually those guys make loads of money, but because of the world we live in today and how much we are dependable on technology, ooh, this is just the beginning, I'm telling you. These companies are going to be going up really high if they only continue this current business model. So all in all, the future of CD Projekt is bright, and with the upcoming Cyberpunk 2077, we might see even more. Now, CD Projekt does want to release more games more often, at least one more. So these investments are good just for expanding the current company and giving us more, which is always welcoming. But hey, this is everything we have for today. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for more CD Projekt related news, and also join our growing community on Discord and Twitter. And as I said, tell me down below what you think about this. This is LKM signing out, stay classy everyone, and bye bye.